The early 20th century World War I reshaped the global landscape, leaving a profound sense of disillusionment. This era gave rise to the Lost Generation, a group of influential writers and artists, many American, who grappled with the aftermath of World War I and questioned established values. Many found a new center in Paris, a hub of artistic mayhem. Here, they sought to break from traditional literary forms, believing them inadequate for a modern fractal world. So, their work was characterized by innovation, experimentation, and a search for new modes of expression. And among these pivotal figures like E. E. Cummings and Gertrude Stein, whose unique approaches to language and form pushed the boundaries of literature. So, to understand their contribution to American literature, explore our detailed analysis. Subscribe and find more on our channel.